Alright guys, I picked this up about a month ago. It's a 29er. The back rim was all tacoed. I got it from the auction, spent 20 bucks on it. Besides the rear rim being tacoed, everything else seemed to be in pretty good shape. I put a pk80 on it. The rear rim, when it was looked like a car ran it over. I ended up pulling the spokes out, straightened the rim out as best I could, and then spoked it and trued it, and it came out really straight. It does have front disc brakes on it. It has your standard brakes in the rear, but I have a conversion kit that I might put on it to put disc in the rear. I put the fenders on it because it's been snowing. The snow just melted. Now everything's muddy as heck. This thing does actually pretty good off on the dirt roads. I put longer bars on it. They're off one of my downhill race bike I used to have. It runs really well. So far I've got it up to about 27 miles an hour. It wants to climb higher. It's got a 44 rear sprocket on it, so I'm thinking it's going to be about 32, 33 mile an hour. I just haven't gone far enough yet with it because I just literally, it's the first time I rode it was today. Just took it around the block and down some alleys and stuff. But yeah, I'm loving these bigger rims. I don't know if I want to go back to the 26-inch rims because this thing is just so much more comfortable with the bigger rims. But yeah, I finished the that 3 horsepower bike that I had. I painted the frame and everything. I'll be getting that out hopefully today and testing that one out too. But yeah, I just wanted to show this one. I am gonna change that, get rid of that fuel filter that I have right there. It's slowing down the fuel to get to the carb, so I'm just gonna put a new line in. I just didn't have one at the moment, so I just slapped that together just so I could ride it. Has a Shamu shifter on it, and seems to be a pretty decent bike. I'm not sure who makes Kohler, if it's Huffy, or I'm sure one of you guys would know. But yeah, I'll have a video of the other bike out here soon too. But yeah, I just wanted to show this. Thank you.